Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we'll see how to install and demo import Porto, a multi-purpose and Woocommerce theme. It supports Elementor, W Bakery and Gutenberg builders. It have pre-built websites very easily installable, and let's see how to do that. To install Porto theme, first go to your WordPress dashboard by entering WP admin details, and here click Appearance, then select Themes, then click Add New, then click Upload Theme. Here click Choose File and locate the downloaded Porto theme. You can see the Porto theme size is around 27 MB. So before uploading, make sure your hosting provider is allowing to upload 27 MB. To check that, go to the dashboard and click Media, then click Add New. Here you can see the maximum file upload size is 256 MB. So it's more than 27 MB. So let's come back, go to Appearance, then click Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, select Porto theme, click Open, then click Install Now. It will take a couple of minutes depend on your hosting and your internet speed. So let's wait for that. Once the installation is done, following screen will appear. Theme installed successfully. Then click Activate. Once you activate it, the setup wizard will show you begin installing plugin. So you can click here, or else the same item can be accessed by clicking this plugin here as well. So before that, let's see one by one. First, you have to activate the license. So click here. If you purchase the Porto theme, you can put the purchase code and activate, or else if you're using the GPL theme, is already activated. So you can check that by going to the dashboard. So let's go back to the setup wizard, and this activate part is done. And second one is status. So you can see the system status here, and child theme. There's an optional child theme you can install. This installation of this child theme is allow you to modify the HTML, CSS and PHP code. So if you are not a technical person, no need to install. Let's skip this step. So now go to the plugins. There are default plugins and additional plugins. This is the default plugin. So you must install this Porto functionality, and other plugins are optional depend on your demo. So you can select this Porto VC add-on, and here you have to select which page builder you are going to use. If you are going to use Elementor, select Elementor, or else you can use WB Bakery or Visual Composer. So my option is Elementor, so I can select Elementor. And if you want to have a sliders, so better to select this Revolution slider, and also Woocommerce is a must one. And if you want the chat features and other functionalities, you can select this one. And very important to select this context form 7. This is needed for the mailing and filling the forms. So once you select the required plugins, just click continue. So it will automatically install all the plugins and activate them. Okay, once the installation is completed, it will move into the next page automatically. Here you can import the demo contents. So first you can change a logo, but no need to do here. You can do it in later part. And here you can see all the demos. So let's select the demos which are supporting Elementor. So I click this Elementor. So I want to install a Woocommerce, that shop a demo. So let's go down, and here you can select many shop demos are available. So you can select preferred one. So I select this sub one. So let's click this. So here you have to select the builder you want to customize. So my preference is Elementor. So select this one, Elementor full site editing, not this one. So click this Elementor full site editing and click standard import. So now it will start to import all the demo contents. So wait for a few minutes and let's see. Okay, once the installation is finished, you will get following message. Software installation is finished. So let's visit the site by clicking here. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been installed with the pop-up newsletter also appearing. So just click close this one. You can see the secondary menu here and the primary details of your shop, and here you can see the main menu appearing in the sidebar. So this is the main menu, and here you can see the advertisement banners, and then you can see the featured products and other products. So let's click one product and see. Now you can see the primary menu is appearing here, and the product price range, and the product color variations and sizes, all details and the related products are appearing here. So if you want to add new products, go to the dashboard and here click products, and you can see the older products, and click add new. You can add the new products, and also you can add new categories. And if you want to edit the menus, you can go to the appearance and click menus. Here you can select the main menu, secondary menu, and top navigation menus, and you can see the menu contents, and you can drag and drop menu positions, and you can, if you don't want one menu item, you can just click this arrow and just click remove. Once it's done, you can save this. Like that, you can come back to the home page and you can click the edit with Elementor, and you can edit each and every contents of this page, and also this feature product categories and other categories you can edit. We have created another video for the full customization of this theme, so please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.